Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling this Soviet tractor from World War II. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. So it comes in all these pieces. Pretty much all of them don't require any sprue cutting. And technically the tracks don't either. But you might want to just make sure that there's no little things that connect to the tracks. But other than that, there's no clipping away, like typical for these kits. So let's start to glue together. So I'm just going to take my modeling glue here, the Loctite glue, available at miniaturetanks.com as well. Let's take the body of the tractor and just take and dab a bit of glue there. That should be good enough. And then for this process, you can actually use the table that you're working on to help guide the gluing correctly. Press it down and make sure with the table it's helping you align it well. Alright, so what's next is this hood area for this tractor. So just go like this and this. Just dab a bit of glue on the edges and then carefully take this hood, place it down like that. Yeah, that should be good. And take the grill. We'll do the same thing. Just place it glue along the edges there. There you go. And then place the grill there. There you go. So this tractor is starting to take shape. Now let's just go ahead and put this roof piece on. So just put a bit of glue there. This is the model I'm working with is the tiny little 15 millimeter one. That's the one I'm working with for this model. So the instructions that you're following should be this or easier. If you get a bigger scale, then it simply will be easier. There you go, coming together. Now just take a bit of glue, put it there, and then take this back piece, put it like that, and then let all that glue dry and such. Alright, so what's next is the tracks. So the tracks don't go on like this. They go on like this, with the geared parts on the back. So just put some glue there, and there. And then slice it down. So the next step is pretty simple. Just put glue there, and there, just like you did for the other side. Carefully take the tracks here, like this, and then you can use the flat surface of the table to make sure everything is going down correctly. Yeah. Alright, there it is. The little Soviet World War II tractor, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.